Every house or commercial building has a curb valve and a curb box. In this case, we have a commercial curb box that we're going to use the REED pump stick to pump out the water that's in there, which is pretty typical for a commercial curb box. And then we're going to use the power drive tool to open and close and cycle the curb box. There would be two situations where you would do it. One, if there's an emergency or you're doing work inside and the shutoff valve would not work inside, you'd have to come out to the curb valve and shut it off to disconnect the water service from the building. Or two, which is very rarely done these days, but it's really good to exercise, especially commercial gate valves. There's an exercise program that people should be on where they have it exercise routinely at least once a year to make sure that it closes all the way. So what REED has, that it's that awesome of a thing, honestly, it has a counter that, so like in our world, a valve might have 21 full turns to know that it's totally closed depending on the valve size. And it'll tell you how many turns you're on with a drill powered piece of equipment that's just battery powered. If it was supposed to have 21 turns to close and it only did 20, you would know that it's not seating all the way, which would tell you that something needs to be done about it.